What's up guys, it's me Lucas Quick Gaming is back for another video guys. So today I'm going to play Bison Simulator again. And as you read the title, I finally got Crimson Bee here. This is my Crimson, wait what? My Crimson Bee, yeah, it's here. My Crimson Bee here. And yeah, let's see here. My only goal is to end the video is to get I guess complete the quest here. And yeah, before I start, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and make sure to click the notification button so you won't miss any videos. So yeah, I think it's going to be short here, and because I'm already done halfway, but wait first, let me put something. Wait a minute! No! That's not what I wanted. But never mind. Just hit the roof. Okay, it's done. Okay, I'm going to make a speed run here. You put a ticket printer here. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Okay, I'm halfway there. It's super fast, you know, but I'm buy some equipment, I guess, later. Oh yeah, it's done. But don't worry about it, because I still need to buy some stuffs. Okay, I'm gonna go fast first. Wait, what the hell? What is this pad? Is this... I don't know. Maybe Honor just updated it. But I don't care first. Oh, I thought the KFC is about to spawn. Let me go inside. Okay. Wait. Let's see something first. Whoa! What? Let's see here. I think I'm gonna buy Beekeeper mask. And yeah. And this is what I wanted. Okay, I'm done here, and I'm going down. And let me see how high can I jump. Yeah, I can jump still. Alright then, I'm going to hand in the quest as fast as possible. Phew! Let me run back. Okay, it's done. And yeah, guys, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe, and make sure to click the notification button so you won't miss any videos. Goodbye.